I'm very much interested in collaboration with artists, and for example, and I was involved in many collaborations like this, and the universe and sound, for example, the music coming from universe is not very new, but it's nice. And I quite recently was involved in such collaboration, and the final product was art, and at the same time quite useful to eliminate the noise coming from the airplane. Mm-hmm. So when we are in the main cabin of the airplane, we hear some noises. But by adding quite similar but not noisy one, and wearing some earphone, then we will not feel so bad. Mm-hmm. And that kind of collaboration was quite interesting to me. Kind of frequency masking, I heard. So the sound of universe can be very, say, good to mask very bad noise. So that kind of collaboration is practical, not only art, but some for practical use